Going to give you a live look from downtown Everett, and it's a wet one there, just like it is many other places around the Sound today. Adam back now with a look at the forecast and when we might eventually dry out. It doesn't look like it will be today.
Not today, not tomorrow, and Thursday too. We're going to see a drying trend, but still going to have some rain around heading into Thursday as well before we do see a nice stretch of drier and more sunny weather. Now, I wanted to show you what's being reported out at the airport officially at Everett. You see that big goose egg? It says it hasn't rained at all in this city. Well, we know that's not the case. We have seen some showers, but kind of comes to show just the rain shadow effect that we've seen north and east of the Olympic Mountains. Hardly anything in Everett, going north of there as well. Port Angeles only coming in at 1/3 of an inch, and then Bellingham at about 1/4 of an inch, while south and west, that's where we picked up a lot of the rain, closer to 2.5 in Shelton, closer to 2 in Hoquiam, and right around 2 as well in Quileute. Big difference too from last system that was here late last week. We were seeing amounts of 4, 5, 6 inches in just one day. So we're going to spread it out a little while longer, which is going to help with some of the widespread flooding concerns, but we still have them as we go on into the night and for the next couple of days. Flood watch is still out everywhere in the deep green that you see until 11 a.m. heading into Thursday morning, and we have a couple of flood warnings. Skokomish River at Potlatch, and then also for the Chehalis River at Porter. Right now, looking at the Granite Falls High School SchoolNet side, you can see things a little quieter here, definitely cloudy and gloomy. Right now in Seattle, really wet. You can see all the rain that is falling right now, 51 degrees, coming down at a decent pace. South winds at 9 miles per hour, but a milder day again as we are sitting in those low 50s. And widespread 50s for many of us, allowed the lower 50s in Tacoma, 53 in Olympia, lower 50s closer to Hoquiam, some 40s holding on closer to Port Angeles, and right now in Friday Harbor. Rain is going to make its way farther north again, and we're going to see that stay a little more steadier. Generally, again, it looks like Everett, the lighter rain is going to be more of our run-of-the-mill type of showers as we go into this evening. South of there, get a little bit heavier around Seattle, around more of Renton, Federal Way, Vashon Island, Covington, going around Tacoma, and then the really heavy stuff that's going to be more steadier in action from about Tohola, maybe Hump Tulips, and northward, getting closer to Forks and around Quileute. So a lot of moisture still going to be coming off of the ocean. We're not nearly done with this yet, and it only gets a little heavier as we go on into the night. This is 8 p.m. A lot more of that orange and yellow showing up. That's heavier rain than what we're dealing with right now as we go deeper into the night. That will start to spread a little farther to the south as we go deep into the night and early into tomorrow morning. But throughout the day on Wednesday, we're going to see a trend where it lifts to northward and will start to dry out from south to north. 2:30 in the afternoon, heavier rain beginning to lift northward. Showers generally light across more of the Olympic Peninsula and across more of the northern Cascades as a lot of the lowlands will begin to dry on out. And then we'll have one more wave coming through late tomorrow night and heading into early Thursday. That will push on by with the front. Once that pushes on through early into Thursday morning, again, a few showers will be around, but more of a drying trend. Cooler air beginning to settle on in, and then we're into our stretch of drier weather into the weekend. Here are the additional amounts of rain we're expecting, generally around 1 inch to 2 around more Puget Sound, a little lower as you go northward around Everett, 1/3 of an inch possible, and then the coast, especially the north coast, getting hit hard around 4 to 5 inches around Quileute. Temperatures around the mid-50s for tomorrow, lower 50s on Thursday, and then the drier weather with the sunshine Friday through Sunday, even Monday possibly for MLK Day, with a few showers only around for next Tuesday.